I think what the Indian Premier League has done, it's actually brought a lot of different cultures a lot closer together. And my first, couple of years, my first 3 years, I think it was playing for Kings 11, the Punjab Kings back then, and seeing how different guys prepare. Like you got guys from South Africa, obviously players from India, from all over the world, and just the different preparations that they go through. And I think it's brought the cricket nations a lot closer together. It doesn't mean that we don't, when we get the chance to play against them on a national scale, that camaraderie's still there, that passion, that aggression's still there, but it just transcends and actually finds a way to take that angst out of the game. And that's what the Indian Premier League has done. It just gets better and better and better. I always joke around and say that the hardest part about playing in the Indian Premier League wasn't necessarily the training and the bowling, it was the after parties and trying to recover from that. So that was a lot of fun.